In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe into Paperform. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of connecting your Stripe account to Paperform, making it seamless and straightforward to accept payments through your forms. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Paperform account. Head over to paperform.co and find the sign-in button at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your login details, and you're in. Once you're logged in, you have full access to your dashboard, where you can view all your existing forms. Now it's time to open up the form you wish to integrate with Stripe. If you already have a specific form in mind where you want to accept payments, click on it to open its settings. However, if you're looking to create a new form for this purpose, now is the perfect opportunity to do that. Simply hit the Create a Form button to start fresh. Once you have your form open, navigate to the payment settings. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's quite intuitive. Look for the Configure icon, which resembles a gear, positioned at the top right of your form settings page. Click on this icon, revealing a menu on the left side. Here, select Payments to proceed to the next important part of our integration. In the Payments section, you'll see a category labeled Payment Accounts. This is where we'll establish the connection with Stripe. Click on Connect a Payment Account. As you do so, a list of compatible payment providers will appear. Select Stripe from this list, as that's the service we're integrating today. If you haven't created a Stripe account yet, now's the time to do so. But if you already have a Stripe account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. At this stage, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection between Stripe and Paperform. This is an essential step and ensures that both platforms are synced correctly, allowing for smooth transactions on your forms. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations, you've successfully integrated Stripe with your Paperform. This means that anyone filling out your form can now make payments through Stripe, providing a reliable and secure method of transaction for your users. Don't forget to test the payment process with a small transaction to ensure everything is working perfectly. It's always a good idea to confirm the setup before going live with your users. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.